Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, power down the PC, unplug the power supply, and press the chassis power button to bleed residual charge. Once done, ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap. This prevents component damage. Remove side panel screws and set them aside. Make sure to identify the PCIe X16 slot and count required external power connectors. This tells you what adapter or cable is needed. Keep screws, spacers, and any bracket shims in a small container so you don't lose them. You'll undo the power cables first. This relieves stress on the connectors. Next, unscrew the rear bracket screws that hold the card to the case. Keep them for the new GPU. Press the PCIe slot latch while supporting the card with your other hand, then pull the card straight out to avoid bending the PCB. If it's tight, wiggle gently, do not force it. Once removed, inspect the slot and contact edge for dust, and clear with compressed air in 1 to 2 short bursts. You now align the new GPU with the PCIe X16 slot and seat it evenly until the latch clicks. This ensures proper contact. Secure the bracket screws so the card is supported, then attach the correct 6/8-pin PCIe power cables. Insufficient power causes instability. Boot the system. Enter BIOS to confirm primary GPU and PCIe speed if you see no video. Install the latest drivers. Run a 15 to 30-minute stretch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.